Welcome to the video. I want to thank you for coming to visit today. If you haven't subscribed, please do down below. Also, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Here we are, I think we're the 27th today, December 27th. So anyway, I want to thank everyone again for coming to watch. But what we are going to be doing today is work on my Jeep. One thing that's pretty common, like I live in Canada here and it gets pretty cold and whatnot, and one thing with my RCVs is that the boots themselves, every once in a while they do crack. I always try to keep one or two in stock or to have something to change. But anyway, as you can see right there, on the side of the boot, I got some RTV in there. That's just to keep the water out, or somewhat try and keep any water, dirt, things of that sort out. But we just got to replace that boot there. So we are going to get the wheel off, get the brake off, axle nut, all that kind of stuff, get everything pulled apart, and then show you how I get that boot back on there without any struggle. Okay, so we're down to this point. I've got our brake off, the caliper, got the that's hanging a little dangly low, but anyway, got that all off. That's the unit bearing. Anyway, we got to yank this boot off, get this off, then we got to slide this out. I got the other new boot, we'll get that in there. There we go. We just got to pop this thing off here now. Come off there. Up here. Here we go. There she is. Cracked right up. So I'll get this yanked out of here, and then we'll get the new boot in here, and off we'll be to the races. Get this axle out of here. There we go. New boot. Brand spanking new boot. So anyway, what we have to do with this, we have to heat this up. We got to get her nice and warm so it's nice and pliable. Right now she's pretty stiff, as you can see. But what we got to do is do that, and I'll put just a very light skim of oil on the inside once we get ready to get this in. I'll just steal some from in the outer axle seals and just kind of coat the inside a little bit. But I'm just going to go put this near a little heater, and we'll get this heated up. Okay, so I got this all heated up. It's nice and warm here now, so we're just going to put this in here. Like so. Okay, so all we got to do now, I got grease on the end of it. That's so when you poke it in, you don't rip your axle seal. But let's get this. There we go. Okay. Okay, so she's locked in there. Now, just a matter. Ain't in that quick and that easy, and it's just a matter of, like I said, you have to heat up the boot itself, makes it nice and soft and pliable, and then it's just a matter of pushing it on and getting it in place. And I think we are. In place here. Let's twist it this way. Yep, we are in there now. Perfect. So yeah, you're gonna have a mess like this, but anyway, yeah. So that's essentially all you do. You heat this up, give that a go, and then you just got to put everything all back together here again. So we'll get that done, and then we'll catch up to you here in a bit. Hey guys, so I just want to thank you for watching. We got her all together. I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, but the inner axle seal, it's way in there, but here, let's get some light in there for you. There we go. So she's way in there. The orange boot, there she is. Yep, there she is. There's the orange boot. But anyway, we got her all together. I want to thank everyone for watching. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And you know, the biggest trick is just getting that thing put on there easy is just using some heat. Just heat the boot up. Get it nice, soft, and pliable, and then she pops right on without a problem. So again, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, please let me know. And again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody out there. Cheers.